Okay, so we're back for day 3. So we took this unit down because it was 3mm too long, so that's got skimmed. Sean also did the same to these top boxes, well, the right one too, because we thought it was going to be the same too. As you can see, it's lining up very nicely indeed. So that's all fixed together, and this is all fixed together now. So that won't sag anymore because these two boxes are fixed together and there's no way it can sag down. It's all one now. They're nice and solid. That unit's in. We'll give you a glimpse in a moment of what it looks like with all the lights on. We cut these shelves down. As you can see, they are about 130mm back. We decided to change that because we thought the lights weren't going to shine all the way down to the printer. And we quite like the step back look. It's added a little bit more character, a little bit more depth to the unit. Every section has got a hole. Can you see? Yep, you can see that one. And if we look round the back, we can see the hole for the extractor there, and we can still get to our cables there. Didn't want to block those. And everything that we need in there also. So it is getting close, and this is what it looks like with the wires, which we will cable tie and make a little bit neater once it's finished. But yeah, Sean's just putting the last unit together, and we will see the whole unit, well, finished, barring glass. I've ordered some hinges. I was thinking about having overlay glass, but to have overlay glass, you need to have the concealed hinges, cabinet hinges, and you need to drill through the glass, and it's a little bit trickier. So I'm just thinking inset doors now, so leaving a 3mm gap. I just need to think of a way of dust proofing it. Last unit going together, and yeah, we'll see what it looks like. All in, all our bits and pieces in, all the lights on, barring unfortunately the CNC and one of the lasers. So yeah, really exciting indeed. So guys, we're all finished, and it was an enjoyable project from start to finish. Really nice. As you can tell, I love OSB. I use OSB for quite a lot. I've used it for my whole entire spray booth and the floor of my workshop, and in my house I've got a whole feature wall of OSB because I love it so much. I use it all the time and wherever possible. So I'm going to turn it around and you're going to see why I like OSB so much. I think these warm white LED lights really show it off. They are 2700K, that is the temperature. Just in case you want to do this yourself and show off your OSB too, because it gives it a nice orange glow. I'll spin the camera around, give it a shot. So here we go. All done. Well, I say all done. We still need to put the CNC in at the bottom, and we have the Laserpecker 4 to go into that cubby and yeah, fill those spaces up with accessories and other bits and pieces. So I was thinking that the top sections could be for holding the accessories for the CNC, like cutters and stuff, some filaments for the printers, and some materials for my laser. But one thing is missing. Anyone want to guess? Yeah, it's the glass doors. So I've got some hinges now, and I am making them inset, so it's going to be a pair, and a pair. All right, so those ones are going to be top hung, but the rest are going to be side hung, and that should set it off. They're going to be inset as well because I can't get the overlay. So what do you think? Everything that you're going to need for crafting, hey? Well, I just thought it was the perfect opportunity to store all my machines in one place and actually use them, because they are all going to be in the same place. They can all be doing their thing at the same time, I hope. That is the plan. And these lights have really set them off. So these are warm white, okay, and they are on a remote. These are 2700K, that's the temperature. So if you want to do something similar and you like the color of these lights, that's what they are. But apart from that, guys, I hope you enjoyed. I'm going to leave it like that. Maybe in the future we will do another video on it completely finished, so with the glass doors in and bits and pieces being used and everything all in. Maybe in the future we will do another video on it completely finished, so with the glass doors in and bits and pieces being used and everything all in, because I think it just needs to be loaded up and put in position, and yeah, that'll be job done. So I have one back again, and this one is about fitting the doors on this cabinet. These are the hinges that I used in the end. As you can see, they do protrude the thickness of the front of that hinge. Oh, by the way, these open full 180, so which is really good. And it's got this little clip that locates into here once it's closed. So you push it hard and it holds itself. So there we go, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Maybe use OSB yourself. Another name for it is sterling board too, so look out for that. I just think it's a lovely material, and it can be used for anything. So there we go. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great Friday. Hopefully I'll see you next Friday. Take it easy. Ciao for now.